Okay, in this question, I think in the question you're looking at here, they give you a function f and they sketch it between 108 minus 180 and 180 degrees. It says sine 2x, so that means the period, instead of being 360, it goes through a complete wave in 180 degrees. In the step, every 45 degrees something happens. I labeled this so I could see goes to -1, goes up to +1, 45 and 1, every 45 degrees, and then -1, and then back to 0. That's your graph of sine 2x. And then they want you to sketch x minus 45 degrees. Well, cosine, you have to know, is 0 and 1. And then after 90, it goes to 0, and then down here. But this one, x minus 45 degrees, instead of 0 and 1, it's 45 degrees to the right. So it touches right there at 45 and 1. And then 90 more degrees. You see, it's just a cosine. Nothing's happened to the period. So every 90 degrees, if we add 90, it goes to 135 and 0. And to figure out what's going on at 180 degrees, we just put it in your calculator. The cosine of 180 minus 45 is really the cosine of 135, and that is 1 over root 2, or root 2 over 2, or about 0.71, pretty close to 0.71. That's the end point right there. And the same sort of trick, instead of minus 90 and 0, it's minus 45. Everything is 45 degrees instead of at 100. Instead of 180 degrees and -1, it's 45. It's a minus 135 and -1. Everything is 45 degrees to the right. And just put in minus 180, minus 45, that's minus 225. Hit the button and you'll get decimal 0.71, or root 2 over 2, but negative. Well, look, I graphed and I labeled all these points here. I labeled them all. And that means I've kind of got the whole thing sort of perfectly sketched and all that kind of stuff. And I labeled G here. This is the x-axis. That's the y-axis. Didn't label that, but that's pretty good. And that's how it goes. The next question we're going to do on another video here, where we interpret this graph.